This is the darkest border in my garden with the highest percentage of moisture. Here I have used plants in light colors like pale yellows and whites because they lighten up in the dappled shade. For a base I have used perennials like hellebores and Japanese anemones and the now flowering lady's smock, which is a nice spring plant. And for bulbs I have used daffodils in various varieties with a sequence of flowering periods. And the first one to flower is February Silver over here. You see the old flowers, which you don't have to deadhead because daffodils can take care of themselves. And then the next daffodil is Jenny over there, a pure white one with a very long flowering period. And the third one is at the end of the border over there in pale yellow, and it's called Pipit. And then there's also Summer Snowflake over here, a very nice delicate bulb. But the one I really regret having planted is Bear Garlic. You see the foliage over here and the buds and the first flowers to start flowering over here. It's very, very invasive, so I would never use it in a private garden. But the leaves are edible. You can make spinach out of it or pesto.